Welcome to Distance Running Basics, running your race injury-free. Courtesy of Emily Milbank, physical therapist and certified strength and conditioning specialist. The first part of this program are dynamic warm-up exercises. When you warm up with these active exercises, you're ready to go when you start your training and get the most out of your run.
So this is a walking hip cradle. You're going to grab your knee, bring it up to your chest. Make sure you keep your back straight, stand up nice and tall. Give a good pull towards your hip. To perform a walking figure 4, you're going to reach for your shin, bring your knee to your chest, and rotate your shin up towards your hip. Make sure you stand up nice and tall, keep your abs strong so your back doesn't arch. The walking quad pull, or the shoot the moon, you're going to reach back, grab your heel with your hand, pull your heel towards your bottom until you feel a stretch in your thigh, and then lean forward towards the ground. The walking tin soldier, or active hamstring stretch, you're going to bring your knee up, try to extend your leg out until you get a good stretch behind your hip and your thigh. This stretch is called the world's greatest. The first thing you're going to do is lunge forward and try to bring the same elbow to the inside of the front ankle. Get a good stretch in your hip and your hamstring, hip flexor, and then rotate your body up towards that front leg. Try to keep your posture as tall as you can through the whole stretch.
Cooldown stretching is really important in the recovery process. It's important to do it right after a run because it's most effective when your muscles are warm.
For the static hamstring stretch, you're going to start on your back, bring your hands behind your knees, straighten your leg until you feel a stretch. For the glute stretch, you're going to pull your knee towards your chest until you feel a stretch in the back of your hip. For the figure 4, lateral hip stretch, pull your knee towards your chest and then rotate your ankle towards your opposite shoulder. The kneeling hip flexor stretch, you're going to start in a tall position, tuck your tailbone, keep your chest up tall, lean forward onto that front foot until you feel a stretch in the back thigh. The standing calf stretch, you're going to do 2 versions. The first one, back heels on the ground flat, knee straight, lean forward until you feel a stretch for the gastroc, then bend your knee until you feel a stretch deeper in your calf for the soleus.
Foam rolling can help boost your circulation, which helps you warm up and recover faster. You can also target knots and achy muscles. Here are a couple basic moves.
To foam roll the glutes, start by sitting on the foam roller with one hand behind you for balance. Cross the same leg over the opposite knee and roll up and down the glute muscle. To foam roll the IT band, turn on your side, place your elbow under your shoulder and your top leg bent with your foot on the floor to push from. Push and pull your body weight so that the foam roll runs along the outside of your thigh. Repeat for 1 minute. To roll your hamstrings, sit on the foam roll with the foam roll underneath your legs. Cross one leg over the other and use your upper body to unweight you and push and pull along the backside of your thigh. To roll your quads, bring the quad you want to roll to the outside of the roller, bend the other leg and push and pull from your elbows and your foot to roll the foam roller along the front of your thigh. To roll your calf muscles, again place the foam roll on the back of your leg just below the knee joint. Unweight your body by lifting up a little bit through your hands and push and pull the foam roll along the backside of your calf.
Work these exercises, stretches, and techniques into your training regime to boost your performance and stay injury-free. Be sure to check out some of our other videos for more tips, exercises, and information. Thanks for watching.